Hello Python developers. In this video, we are going to discuss our next question problem of Python string series. This is our fourth question problem. Count special characters. So we need to find out special characters in a string. Okay, so let's move on to VS Code. Okay, now we are in VS Code and let's create a file inside this folder, basic string program. So we need to count special symbol symbols.py. Okay, so then write our program name count special symbols in a string. Okay, then def function def special count special. Okay, count special, you can write anything that you want, colon, then enter. Okay, after that count equal to 0 and use for loop for ch in as colon. If ch dot is alpha, first we check is alpha. ओके, आपको पता ही है इस अल्फा क्यों यूज करते हैं एंड नॉट ch dot is space. Okay, special is also count as special symbols, so remove spaces and then count plus equal to 1. ओके, so spaces भी count ना हो special symbol में, then return कर देंगे count. Okay, after that text equal to, we will take our text. If you do not want to take right here your text, then print direct count special symbols. Okay, comma count special and write your text. Okay, hello Tom, i am I am Mike's friend. Okay, so this is our string. So let's check how many special symbols are there in this string. Okay, it is counting special symbols 21. Why? There is any problem in this program? It counts every characters. Why? If cs dot is alpha, okay, now check. There is 4 because we are counting is alpha also. Okay, is alpha means all the characters that are present in this string. Okay, so now we are counting only 4 special symbols. This is 1, this is second, third and fourth. Okay, so these are 4 special symbols are there in this string. When we remove this, okay, is space, so it will count spaces also as a special symbol, so it counts it, this is space, this is space, this is space and this also, so it counts these all 4 spaces also with these special symbols. So you need to check to remind this is also not count cs dot is space. Okay, So this is a way to count special symbols in a string. Okay, so thanks for watching. We will meet in our upcoming video of Python string. Okay, so next part will be coming soon.